looking forward to this year's Tameside's Got Talent 2012. Last year was absolutely fantastic. The acts were really, really good. This year, I want to see some different acts. I want comedians, we want dancers, we want juggalists, absolutely anything, guitarists, anything that you can think of, anything that you do. You need to get your applications in quickly because it starts on Sunday. Last year, the winning mentor was Scott and Lauren. I really, really think that I'm going to work my bum off to make sure that my team wins this year. I want you to enter. Hope you get with me because we are going to win. And as for Kev Orchard, you can step aside because Angie's team's coming through. See you on Sunday.